How to fix Instagram story not uploading on iPhone and Android. If any day your Instagram story is not being uploaded in your iPhone or your Android, just follow the following steps. It can be your Android or your iPhone as well. First of all, you have to tap on the very Instagram on your mobile device. After that, you'll see a screen like this. Now you have to tap on the I option out there. After that, you'll see an interface of app information. And then you have to go to the option of storage. After you tap on the option of storage, if there is any cache, you have to go to the option of clear cache. Now you have to go back and go to the option of notification. You have to tap on notification and go to the option of allow the notification. You also need to allow the sound and vibration. And after you enable all of these two, you have to go back and go to the option of the permission. And you have to allow the permission to the camera, to the contacts, to the location, to the microphone, to the notification, to the phone, to the photos and videos. You should also allow the permission to the calendar by going to the option of allow, and you should go back and you should also provide the permission to the call logs by providing it to allow, and this way you should allow the permission to all of these. Now you have to go back, and after going back you have to go to the next option, that is the option of the set as default. You have to tap in the option of the set as default and you have to enable open supported links. After enabling open supported links, you have to go back and go to the option of app details and store and tap in the very option, and your very app will be opened in the very Play Store out there. And if there is any updates available there, you have to update your very application, and this way your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do subscribe our channel.